Welcome again. In the previous session we discussed about the trigonometry ratios. So in this we will discuss about the trigonometry relations, the relation between the ratios. So let's start. Firstly we have to consider the same triangle, 90-degree triangle with the same angle theta here. Hypotenuse H, base and perpendicular P. Okay, so let's just remove this. We can just write it B and this P or perpendicular. So it is opposite side of theta and this is adjacent side of theta. According to the angle sum property of a triangle, the measures of three angles, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So if one is 90, another is theta, one is 90 and another is theta. So angle is measured. If you will just take this plus plus to another side from LHS to RHS, then they will be in negative. So 180 minus 90 minus theta. Angle A is equals to 90 minus theta. So angle A measure will be 90 minus theta. So opposite side of 90 minus theta and this is adjacent side of 90 minus theta. Okay. So let's remove this now. So now what is the relation between 90 minus theta and theta? And as I told you in the previous session that perpendicular upon base, if you will consider this, so 90 minus theta perpendicular upon base will be not considered as an we can not take them as a ratio. अपन इसको ratio में नहीं ले सकते हैं क्योंकि ये अपने पास बेस एंगल नहीं कहलाएगा. बेस एंगल इन दोनों में से कोई एक कह सकते हैं, तो फिर परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस यहाँ पे गलत हो जाएगा. सो इट्स बेटर टू यूज अपोजिट साइड एंड एडजेसेंट साइड. हाइपोटेन्यूज विल रिमेन सेम इन द बोथ द केसेस. सो लेट्स गो. फर्स्ट साइन थीटा इक्वल टू अपोजिट साइड अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज ए बी अपॉन ए सी. नेक्स्ट cos theta equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse BC upon AC. Third tan theta equal to opposite side upon adjacent side AB upon BC. Next cot theta equal to adjacent side upon opposite side BC upon AB. Sec theta equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side AC upon BC. Cosec theta hypotenuse upon opposite side AC upon AB. Now sin 90 minus theta cos 90 minus theta tan 90 minus theta cot 90 minus theta sec 90 minus theta and cosec 90 minus theta. Now we will find them. So sin 90 minus theta, opposite side is BC, hypotenuse same AC. So BC upon AC. Same. Cosec 90 minus theta. Adjacent side is AB. AB upon AC. Next tan. Opposite side upon adjacent side. BC upon AB. Next cot 90 minus theta. Adjacent side upon opposite side. AB upon BC. Next sec 90 minus theta, hypotenuse upon adjacent side AC upon AB. cosec 90 minus theta, hypotenuse upon opposite side, AC upon BC. So now let's find the relation. First is sin theta, AB upon AC. Search the value of AB upon AC. Here cos 90 minus theta. So we can write here sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Next, cos theta equal to BC upon AC. Here it is also equal to sin 90 minus theta. Next, tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta, AB upon BC. Next, cot theta BC upon AB equal to tan 90 minus theta. So cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta. Next, sec theta AC upon BC is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. And final, cosec theta AC upon AB is equal to sec 90 minus theta. So these are the relation between the trigonometry ratios, which is sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta, tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta, cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta, sec theta is equals to cosec 90 minus theta, and cosec theta equal to sec 90 minus theta. So this is the relation between the ratios. It is easy to determine, like in this figure you can just easily determine the values like this, and you can just find the same values and consider the relation. So there is easy to consider the relation of trigonometry. So this is all for today. Today we have done relations. In the next I will teach you to find the ratios, like the measure of the ratios, you can say. Measure of the ratios, like sine, if you will put the value of theta like 0, 30, 45, 90, I will tell you that.
आपका साथ ही हमारी प्रेरणा है, सो प्लीज हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक व शेयर करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।